Bonjour, internet friends. Today, I'm gonna teach you how to make the Spätzle. Spätzle is a food from Germany, specifically a part of Germany that even Germans think is kinda weird. And that's how bad you know it is. Anyways, all you need are some simple ingredients. You need some flour, some egg, some milk, and some sour cream. And I should also mention, I did not invent this recipe. It's been around for hundreds of years. Also, some other guy on YouTube basically did the same thing I'm doing, but don't tell him, cause he has worse jokes than me. Let's start mixing our ingredients. To our flour, we want to add a big pinch of salt to make it good and seasoned and salty like me. I'm a salty man. Just give that a mix together, get that all in there so you don't got no clumps of salt just being like in your face. Then next, you want to take your egg and get that in there with your milk that I got in a tiny little snifter glass some beer nerds gave me. And then take some of your sour cream and get that in there. And then you mix them together. If it's too runny, add some flour. If it's not too runny, don't add flour. You gotta keep mixing till it's about that much gooey. Once we got it to there, we're done, right? Once we're there, we got a complete meal, right? Wrong! We gotta cook it a Spätzle. In Germany, they have all sorts of fancy tools. They have Spätzle makers, they have Spätzle boards, they probably have Spätzle forks and Spätzle knives. They probably even drink Spätzle. I don't know, it's a strange country. Unfortunately, I have none of those things. But I have something really great for that. It is so great. You wanna see what I'm gonna use? 1 second. Let me get my great tool. Introducing my super special, really great tool. Get it? Cause it's a cheese grater. See those holes on the side there are what we're gonna put the Spätzle through. I'm gonna take the inside and push that batter through these little holes to make them the right size. And the other thing that's great about a grater, besides the puns, is if you look on the inside, it looks like you're in the Death Star. So you can pretend you're Luke Skywalker and that one nobody liked, going through the Death Star fighting the bad guys. So cool. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna take that and get some of our batter, like I got right now, and just push it through to get the nice little sized dumplings. And I'm making a mess too, in addition to the Spätzle. As I mentioned, I made a big mess. But when the Spätzle comes to the top, that means they're all done. So I'm gonna make this even more exciting. I'm gonna take the Spätzle and saute it in some butter. Just like the good pasta, you take the Spätzle and bring it over there with some of the waters. And you get the butter in there and you saute it and flip it around like I'm doing. And that will take a little bit. And now our Spätzle is complete. Nicely sauteed in the butter, just like they would in that one country they're from. And I'm making more mess. And there you go. Bon appetit. I hope you all had a good day and have a better tomorrow. Bye, friends.